Babe, guess what?
What?
My back feel good.
To the mall.
No, I'm so serious. He popped everything in my back. Oh my gosh.
You've been in chronic pain, and that's what I wanted to discuss.
Yes.
So you've been on a scale of 1 to 10. You say it gets as high as a 9 or a 10, right?
10, walking around. With,
Yeah.
yes.
And it's a 10 today, or it's been a 10?
It's been a 10 for
Yeah.
a while now. And imagine I can't cut hair with
Yeah. So show on me, outline on me where the pain
right
is.
here.
So when you have your arms in the air,
It feels, kind of weak. Sometimes it radiates.
Yeah.
And it shoots down a little bit. But
So how many clients can you do before it becomes really, really painful?
first of all, I will go in my car with the heated seat on
Yeah.
for a good hour and a half, laid back.
Just to get the heat on
Just
it.
to get the heat on.
How long has it been this bad? You said it's happened recently, right?
Yes, probably about 2 months.
Okay.
Definitely.
So let's check the range of motion of the shoulders. And by the time we get here, it just gets stuck. Do you feel that?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm holding her trapped down in the scapula so that she doesn't bring it up unconsciously. But try it on your own and see what it feels like as you bring it all the way. It doesn't want to go much higher than that, right?
No.
Is it painful too?
It just feels stiff.
Stiff. Okay. But imagine cutting hair, it would be really tough, right?
Exactly.
Try this one. Bring this one up to where it feels uncomfortable. About there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's release that first. How about this spot? Do you feel this spot right here?
Yeah.
It's tender, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I was on the head of the radius there, and that can really get painful. I'm on the side of the shoulder blade. All right, let's start on this side. You lift it yourself.
Oh, we like.
It's better, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Good. Now try this side.
Oh, wow.
All right, good.
It's not as heavy.
This one's not as happy, so let's
No,
do
it's not as heavy.
heavy. Not
You know,
as
like
heavy.
how it was.
Yeah. Let me do a little more into here. So I'm at the base of the neck, kind of where the trap gets into the neck right there. And then this one. And then I'm going to come in with my elbow too. I'm going to just rest my hand on the top of your head so I can guide it to the side. And this should hurt in here. Okay, this is going to be a painful spot. And then in there. Okay, so now we switch. May I move your hair over to the side? Thank you so much. And now I'm going to do a little bit on this side.
Oh, wow.
Good. Now try the arms again. Good, right?
Yes.
So now we're going to move to the table. It's all tight through here, but it's worse in here, right?
Right.
And as I come down, it seems like the worst is right in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
In there. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much is this pressure? Is it like an 8, 9, or a 10, or is it more like a 6?
It's a 9.
And how about there? Here, turn your face this way so we can hear you a little bit. So, as far as, here, let me do a spot that's not painful, like let's say here. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what's that spot?
3.
3. Okay, so what's this spot?
Oh, 9.
That's a 9. Okay, so it's definitely different. So that's an area that's just really irritated. Yeah. So that's an area that people would commonly call a pinched nerve, because medically it's a little more complicated than that, where the bones shift and they compress and they irritate the nerve fibers and it makes the muscles spasm up and then the muscles contract more and then eventually the nerve gets irritated and we call it a pinched nerve.
Okay.
Medically, I would call it a vertebral subluxation with a compromised or facilitated nerve. Facilitated segment. That would be the big medical word, but it's a pinched nerve.
You could pinch it.
Yeah. And I like to be careful that way because when I put up a video, someone can in the comments go, well, you know, it's not technically a pinched nerve, and they yell at me, you know, and I know the real word, but I'm just trying to communicate to people. So I'm down here lower into the lower back now, and you still get tight down here, but it's not as bad. Right here, it's still bad though. Do you feel that one?
Right there.
That's probably a 10, right?
That's a 10.
But I don't want to rush it because it needs to have layers done. Big breath in and blow it out. And big breath in and blow it out. And big breath in and blow it out.
I said, is there something that comes back?
Well, it's going to probably take you a few treatments to fix this. So as much as I love to say I can get this all fixed in one day, it's so bad that you'll probably have to do a few with me if you're interested.
Yeah. No
But
problem.
my goal today is to get you 40-50% on the road in just one visit.
Yes, for sure.
And that would make a huge difference for you because that's going to be the difference of you working pain-free at least for half a day.
Yes.
It's already softening up a little bit, which is nice. So here we go. I'm going to stretch and then pull. Big breath in and blow it out.
Jesus, take the wheel. That was great. Oh.
Where'd you feel that?
Down by my neck.
Can't even
Right.
stop.
Oh my
right?
gosh. Oh my gosh. I think I got taller with that.
You are a little taller. I'm going to release this upper left too, okay? Because that's out. Let your head tilt over. Big breath in. More.
Damn it. That felt good.
Good.
Okay.
Drop your head. No.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. We're getting there. All right, now I want to go into that pain spot now. Okay? I think I can get it because I did all this other stuff to kind of decompress you
Alright.
and loosen you up.
Alright.
I'm going to just get it. Boom. Done. Fast. Ready?
Ow! That's that.
I got it.
Oh my gosh.
That was where the pinched nerve was.
Oh my gosh. You're great. You're great.
And there's
You're
another
great.
one. There's another one. But this one is not the pinched nerve. It's just a bad spot.
Oh.
And that one's been in there for a while too. And I'm going to do one lower than the pinched nerve because it's that one too. Now you can breathe.
Oh my goodness, Dr. W.
Good.
That was great.
Squeeze your knees together. Squeeze. One more. Squeeze. Good.
Oh,
That's your ankle.
yeah.
That's your other ankle.
Wow. Yikes. I need some milk.
You said you need some milk?
I need some milk.
You're milking cookies probably. All right. Bend this top knee. Got it. That's your lower back.
Yes.
Same thing other side.
Switch over.
Yeah. Got it. Now come stand and move around. Now on a scale of 1 to 10, how's your back feel right now?
Beautiful. It feels great. It feels like
We're getting there,
it's
right?
light. Oh my gosh, this feels good.
So I'm hoping this will help about 40% of it today, and if you come back, we can get the rest of it. But it's gonna take a couple more sessions because it was bad. That was a bad spot.
I wasn't standing up right
Like
before.
I see a lot of pinched nerves. That's a bad one.
Thank you so much.
And it was crippling. You couldn't even get your arms up.
No.
Check your arm now.
Yeah.
Now you still want to do the CFR today, the cranial facial release?
Yes.
All right, so we're going to do that next. So we do this first. We put it right in there. Big breath in.
What the hell was that?
Did you hear it pop or crack?
Yeah, a whole bunch of popping going on. Whole bunch of popping.
Did it hit your ear also, or just?
Huh?
Did it get into the ear as well? Like the pressure into the ear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Breathing out. Try breathing.
Oh, what's with that?
Here's a little tissue. All right, doing the other side. Ready? No, wait. Big breath in now.
Oh, my ear's clear. Okay, it's good. Yeah, my ears don't feel heavy, like
Yeah.
full.
Take a big breath in.
That's great.
What else did you hear more on one side or the other, or did you hear crackling or popping or
I
expansion?
heard crackling and popping.
Like,
Mm-hmm.
wow. The three of us, Floppy, Elisa, and me. Thanks, everybody. Give
Thank you, I
Elisa
appreciate
some
it.
nice comments, okay?
Thank you, I
All right,
appreciate it.
thank you.
Babe, guess what?
What?
My back feel good.
To the mall.
No, I'm so serious. He popped everything on my back. Oh my gosh.